Usizi laseZimbabwe uhulumeni wakhona ekhala ngokukhuphuka kobugebengu uthi since kubuya abantu baseZimbabwe ngomningi besikole lapha eSouth Africa nama-cases obugebengu alokhe ande njalo bala khona ukubanjwa kwemoto yemali awe-rap nokubanjwa kwenkunzi kuhlonyiwe. Balokhe bebabaze njalo abantu base-South Africa ngomfundisi oyili-26 olilunga le-MKP obonakala emisayithuphe nkathi emkela ilunga lesha le-MKP uZandile Gumede osuka lapha kwe-ANC ejoyina yona i-MKP. Umphathi wamathole funerals uNala uthi akukhona yedwa umculo ozoka adlale ngengoma yomunye umculi emcimbini wakhe iDande July zobe nge-18 zika July khona lapha eThekwini. Kanti babaleke baze bagcwala amathafa abokufika eMarble Towers eGoli nkathi imeya yaseJohannesburg uDadamarela engena kwibuilding iMarble Towers ezobheka ukuthi ngabe la mabhizinisi ayacomplya yini. Kanti inkosi yezimeya eKZN uChris Papasi ubevakashele ogogo nomkhulu endaweni zabo ebapha izipho ezinhle kakhulu. Njengoba sibheke kukhetho lohulumeni bezindaba uChris Papasi uyazifikela nini na. Sikubingelele mbukeli siyathemba ukuthi uyaphila lapha ngasekhaya namhlanje ke mbukeli lezo nalezi inhloko siphathele zona ihamba phambili ikakhulukazi ethinta yona ipolitiki ngoba mawungabe uyisakhamuzi sasemzansi kuyadinga ukuthi wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni sakhile nazo ke mbukeli iqeshana nje siphathele zona. Siqale lapha sithe khona usizi olubhekene neZimbabwe iZimbabwe ikhala ngokuthi ugebengu bukhuphuka ngendlela esivinini lapha ezweni labo kubika yena uhulumeni ethi njengoba kulokhe buye abantu baseZimbabwe basuka lapha eSouth Africa befika ngobuningi nama-cases ogebengu ayanda kakhulu ngesikhathi nje sincane bebuyile abantu bakhona ukubalwa khona ama-cases okubanjwa kwemoto yemali awe-rap nokubanjwa kwenkunzi kuhlonyiwe namanye ama-cases. Lokhu kuveze uspokesperson wamaphoyisa khona lapha eZimbabwe ngenkathi ereporter live ekhuluma nabezindaba ngesikhathi sesinye isigameko kade senzeka khona laphana eZimbabwe.
Balaleli uInspector Nomalanga Msebele usomlomo wamaphoyisa esabelweni sakobulawayo. Ezibuhlungu kobulawayo indaba zama-murder cases that we are receiving. Sirisive ama-murder cases whereby umlimisi Ncube enye indoda itholakele ibhubhile ifile along Hyde Park Road efunyanwa ngabanye abafana ababe-driver nje ekusenaneni ngabo past 5. Amaphoyisa eZimbabwe Republic Police esihambe sababopha uZibusiso Sibanda loZibusiso Zibanayi Sibanda ngecala lokubulala lumlimisi Ncube. Kwenzakele futhi emakhokhoba sibophe futhi omunye umfananyana oleminyaka engu-19 ngemva kokubulala indoda eleminyaka engu-38. Okwenzakeleyo ukuthi laba ababili umufi nomngani wakhe bebenatha ngemva kokunatha lapho basebexabana basebethukana ngentamba sibili ezingahambanga kuhle lalo umngani wakhe. Uthe sekwenzakale kanjalo umngani wagijima wayendlini yakhe wasesiyatshela umntana ukuthi hayi ubani ungithukile. Uthe kuyeni kwakhe wamchaya ngempama wayakuwa kubi wasehambiswa esibhedlela wayadlula ngemva kwensukwana ezimbalwa. Kwasekusenzakala futhi eRange Mall abafana ababili bayehla emthoveni ekuhambeni kwabo ngendlendlana zokuqumela bahlangana labanye abafana ababili babathathela abafoni bebephethe amahloka ama-okapi knife babesebemchaya omunye esiphundu omunye wamchaya esiphongweni balimala bagijinyiselwe esibhedlela. Omunye futhi ubaba utholakala ethe dindilili emagwegwe laphana elam-2-stepped wounds okukhanya ukuthi ukwazwe ngengqamu. Lokhu sikukhuluma because of the unnecessary loss of life impilo nje elahleka mahlayana ezabelweni zethu. Inkuthazo ibisisithi asihambenini ngezindlini kusakhanya asingathwaleni ama-weapons ingqamu amahloka lakho konke bese sithi kuZulu kaNdaba nxa sebekuhlasele sebekubambile banikeze onke amafondlayo yonke imali olayo impilo once lost is lost for life but lokho kunye usungakusebenza ukufumane njalo but lani Masela ngeke ngili-address namhlanje kanti usuthethe ifoni lo oyifunayo usuthethe imali lo oyifunayo usamlimazelani usamchayelani lokhu kwenza ukuthi abantu balimale ngcono sibe nxa sesikubopha njengamapholisa sikubophela icala lokuthi utshontshile hayi elokubulala umuntu which holds a bigger penalty. Abantu basala belimele ifoni ungayitshontshelwa namhlanje next week next year you can buy another phone but impilo once lost is lost for life. kwenzakele futhi ngasemagwegwe enye imuli bazihlalele njengemuli bakhuza umntana nabo obese kukhanya esithatha izidakamizwa umntana wazonda wathatha intambo wazilengisa wazibulala njengabazali kungumlando wenu ukuthi asixwayise nini abantwana singabayekeli ngoba kungumlando wenu under the Children Protection Act ukuthi sibakhusele sibagcine lani bantwana bathi khangela lawe njengomzali ibehavior yomntana ukuthethe kanjani ukuzwa lokho asibakhuzeleni ngothando singabakhuzi nje sibachiya sibalimazile bakhuze with an aim of educating them, empowering them angasali elimele asibananzeleleni ngoba bayachiyana ama-behaviors yabo yimi owenu u-inspector Msebele uyabona.
iZimbabwe ikhala ngalokho nje ukuthi abantu babamba inkunzi kubanjwa imoto yemali. Upresident wakhona wabatshela kwabhoqo ukuthi yebo ababuye ukubuya kodwa akukho special treatment abazoke bayithole uma ngabe befika lapha ekhaya bazofike baphante ngendlela abazophanda ngayo ukuze impilo ikwazi ukuthi iqhubeke. Lokhu wayekhuluma isithangameni sabezindaba ngathi enza i-media briefing addressa ukuthi ngabe imaphi ama measures noma ngabe iluphi usizo azonikeza abantu bakhe abasuka lapha eSouth Africa mangabe befika ngale njengoba lapha eMzansi bebethi beze ngomsebenzi kodwa manje sebeyakhishwa ngezathu zibekwa yiyona iSouth Africa ukuthi abantu bokufika abahambe ngo1 no2 no3. President waseZimbabwe wabe esecacisa ukuthi yena ikuphi akuhlelela abantu bakhe abezayo okuyilutho ke.
We have the issue of our fellow citizens who are coming back home from the diaspora. How do we ensure their integration into the economic and social development process of the country? We know that skills development is important to the country's transformation agenda. So how do we ensure that they become part of building Zimbabwe?
I have no doubt that each one who comes back knows where they came from before they went to South Africa. So the first thing is to go back to roots and begin from there as they integrate in society. So there's not a single problem. Government is not any problem at all. We do facilitate their transport, their welfare, we do that. But each one gives us an address. I want to go to Chipinge, I want to go to Bindura. We facilitate, and they go to their homes. And whatever facilities we give to people already in the country, they will also join those services we are giving. So there's no problem at all. Every Zimbabwean who is in diaspora is welcome back home. We want them back home. They're our people.
Kukhona thina ongelekejane omawundeni sizothi welcome home ekhaya kodwa laba bangaphandle ha he ho hu babona
Bahleke kwaze kwabhlungu izisu abantu baseMzansi ngekathi kubonakala umfundisi olilunga leMKP oyi26 ngathi emisa ithupha ekhuluma noma eshaya inombolo ngathi amkela ngizandla ezintofontofo ilunga elisha leMKP a new member from the box uSandile Gumede osuka kweANC joina yona iMKP lokhu kumenyezelwe SG walo iqembu MKP uSibonelo Nomvalo kubonakala ke lo mfundisi oyi26 esho ukuthi awusuka Demede usefike kuthina ongelekejana emisa zona ithupha njengaye uma kade bona noma njengesigebengu esidala esingaziki ukusho ukuthi lokho kusho ukuthini imember of parliament noma imember of very rated political party njenge MKP umuntu enza izinto ezifana nalezi engicabanga ukuthi leya gesture leyana isenda some message kubantu baseMzansi abangabavoti nangabangabalandeli nje. Umphathi wamathole funerals uNala uthi akukho noyedwa umculo ozoka perform ngengoma zabanye abaculi abangakadlali stage abakhona laphana kwi line up ye Dande July festival okuwumcimbi ozobe ngomhla ka18 kuJuly eThekwini. Lo mcimbi uzobe uhlanganise nokubukela umjaho wamahashi unala ukhuza lesihlava nje sesande kakhulu sokuthi kusuke umculi azoperforma ngengoma yomunye umculi ongakangeni estage. Umculi kuyabuya ngene stage ingoma yakhe isiperform umunye umculi sengenile waperforma ngayo. Unala uthi nje leyo nto ayizokwenzeka kulomcimbi wakulonyaka idandi iJuly.
So ke nabaculi ngiyabamema kade ngasho futhi ngiyacela ama-CD ke niwashiye ekhaya. Ngishiya ama-CD sinawo ey'motweni zethu. Yeka nje i-CD. Uningabi anginendaba ke le. Uma ungezwa kahle noma ungayeka because akwazi ukudlala i-CD iziphelo siyakhuluma nawe naye iyadlala ngapha nisakhona iyaqhubeka i-CD ngapha eceleni. Umuntu akalungisa i-performance yakhe. Azi ukuthi i-performance yakhe uma kuthiwa 15 minutes izophela 15 minutes. Hayi umuntu uyacula beyathi awuyibambe DJ hawu. Uyayibamba manje uDJ thina si ibanjwani manje awuyibambe nisekho sithe uzocula musubuthi sikhona nje asibona sikhona nje hayi. So ake siyaculisa kakhulu ama-CD abantu bahambe bayolungisa khona into ekuthiwa ama-backtracks noma bathiwa uzositshela andabezwa ngayo hambe yolungisa umusic wakho bakwethu siyeke ama-CD uyizwa ukuthi yazi le-CD enginayo kodwa manje nangu mniniyo futhi again ngine-CD again noma usukhona futhi please akuhambe olungisa umusic bo-DJ ngiyanicela futhi ngicela nihloniphe ama-artist ungayidlali ingoma kaZincinca lengakaperform ngithi udlala ingoma ka-Ayanda engakaperform ungadlala ingoma kaMthandeni engaperform kaKhuzani wonke amathi akhona hambe yobheka i-line up wobani abakhona musa ukudlala mina ngicela uke-stage ngifike ngithi press ngithi hayi ehla bhuti angathi sekwanele so ahlonipheni ama-artist musa ukudlala ingoma ye-artist engakaperform singayidlala uma seqedile u-Ayanda then sungayidlala-ke ingoma zakhe ngoba awazi ukuthi uzodlalani. Le nto iyaxabanisa ama-artist iyabalimaza leyo nto kakhulu. Siyacela nabazawuperforma kabaya-stage musa ucula ingoma zabantu la bekhona ngaphandle uma ukuthi nixoxile ngoba manje masesefika umnikazi wengoma asisazi ke silaleleni-ke kumnikazi wengoma nosuyiperformile ngoma yakhe animini bakwethu cela nilungiseni ahloniphaneni ngoba leyo nto yenza umcimbi ugcina ungasahambi kahle bese kuxatshele and enye into exabanisa yiyo leyo-ke uyiperformelani ingoma yasekudonsana ngamajazi lapha sekufanele ngolekelela security fangabenza okuyisilamu labantu bayiperforme wena vele uyiperformelani vele kakade. So umuntu akalungisa umusic wakhe abe right ngiyazi le bazoyithola niyeza abaculi yekani ingoma zabantu uma bekhona singaxabani.
So kunabanye ke abaculi abebelindele vele ukuthi sobabona bengena lapha e-stage ngengoma zabanye abaculi ukuthi ambona umculi uthatha imanki ukabalasa nakabi ingoma yomunye umculi eperforma njalo lowo mculi ngaleso sikhathi hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe u-MC mhlawumbe ufudumeza inkundla ufudumezela umculi ezongena uyaperforma okuyinto ke leyo abanye abaculi abake bakhala ngayo kufana noSweet nabanye ukuthi lento iyasilimaza kakhulu ukuthi ngiyangena e-stage omunye umculi sephefumule ngengoma yami kanti kunabanye abaculi abafike bafeaturishwe emva kwalokho umculi mangabe featurishiwe engomeni kuyabo sethi yena uyaqashwa uzoqashwa ngengoma afeaturishwe kuyona angasiye i-right owner iyayo ingoma kodwa afuna ukuzoperforma ngayo nanka amehla kakumbombo soke sibone ukuthi iyozala inkomoni kubaculi abazokuthi babaculi kodwa beperforma ngengoma zabanye abaculi. Uma sihlabela phambili ke mbukeli sibona isimanga laphana eGoli kwiMarble Towers no Small Street lapha ku Johannesburg CBD lasibona khona bebaleka begcola amathafa abokufika ngathi kungena imeya yase Johannesburg uDedamarela ke ubezobheka nje ukuthi ngabe i-compliance kulama business operator laphana ikhona yini kuma bylaws alapha eMzansi uma ngabe uzovula ibusiness kwazise wake wafika wazobabikela nje ukuthi bafowethu siyacela ukuthi nizame ukulungisa indlela zenu zokusebenza lana nizame ukuthi nihambisane nendlela idolopha iJohannesburg eyamkela ngayo abantu abasemabhizinisini noma operator ama-business khona laphana edropini ubesethi akayobheka nje ayoshaya ivisit umvokamerelo ukuthi ngabe kuhamba kahle yini na ngabe bazwana yini nomakhelwane bethu ababuya kulamazwi ngaphandle kweSouth Africa kodwa umakhelwane kwizwekazi iAfrika.
Good morning, residents of Johannesburg. Today we are doing a follow-up on Marble Tower, some MMC Mqina and MMC Mnisi to check compliance, but we can confirm that they continue to undermine the instructions as given by the city and by the courts, and they continue to trade illegally in the building. So we are now here to enforce and will now be forced to then effect the court order and remove all the illegal structures once the city is ready with the necessary resources and equipment. So we are not going to be folding back. We are pushing the program to reclaim the city of Johannesburg and ensure full compliance with bylaws of the city. Thank you.
Why did you open in the first place? Okay, the situation right now here at Marble Towers is that they have allowed them to come into their shops and take out their stock because they know they are not allowed to sell. So as you can see, this movement, they are packing their own things. They are taking them out of these illegal structures because the structures are going to be demolished. So that's why there's so much chaos at this moment. They are taking out their own stock. They are taking it out. From there, this structure will be demolished because they know they are not allowed to sell. Why did you guys come back from the first place? Because they told you not to open. Why did you come back? Why did you come back? Why did you open here? No, I'm not talking about now. I'm talking about before. We were here before.
Don't take it out in your stuff. I am negotiating with court. We're gonna wait.
So where's court now?
It's not our problem. It's honor. The problem is for honor.
You see, now we are rushing. It's owner. It's owner. Dikushi tsa lena se di a tsamaya dikushi tsa lena tsa di bedding se di a tsamaya. So it's just the two of you in here. It's removing from where? And then that one, where is he taking those things? He's here now. Where?
Where was the owner?
Okay.
The owner is there. This side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Aura.
You are the owner. Yeah. Okay, pack your things. You must assist your brothers when you are done with your shops. Yeah. So that you finish quick. You must be careful with their glasses. They must not cut you.